So what's my purpose on feeding these dogs on the streets? Man, if you follow my social media, that's how I do, you know what I mean? Like the joy that I get from seeing those dogs getting some food that otherwise, if it wasn't for me or my friends, he wouldn't have, is super gratifying. And I'm really, really happy to have the ability to feed these dogs on a regular basis. So we're here at Coco Market with my people, about to get some dog food, bruh. So that's it. So this is what we're gonna do, bro. We're gonna get this bag, which is dry food. Then we're gonna get some wet food. We mix them together. We're gonna put it in a small piece of foil, fold it and make a ball, like a bag. And then we give it individual dog so they don't fight, you know? All right, so this is what it looks like after we mix the dry food with the wet food. So right now, we have 200 of this, a little paper thing. What we're gonna do is grab from here and put it there for each one of the dogs that we feed today. You want some?
Purpose is that because that humans, they are responsible for their lives, but animals, they don't. So it's the smallest thing that we could do for them, just like to feed them or something like this. It's about everything, you know, and it's not about only animals, it's about people, and that's why we feed the animals, because people don't have like food for it to every day. That's why we help just for animals maybe.
Oh my! Hi! Come here, baby. Come here. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Hi, I miss you. Why do I do it? Look, man, with this virus, everybody's struggling. The locals are struggling, the dogs are struggling, the world is struggling. So now I have the ability to help these dogs. Man, it's fulfilling to me. And all of my friends that come in this journey, it's absolutely incredible to see those dogs eating and just being happy that we are there to give them some love and attention. It's wonderful to me. I love it. Get your food, buddy. Some of the dogs, they get really scared. I fed them before, but I don't know. Sometimes it's maybe my glasses. Do I smell? I don't know. I don't know what it could be. That one never wants my food. No matter how much food I give him. Look, he's going there now. Oh, nobody sees you, bro. It's okay. Oh, eat it. Oh, please. Come on, bro. Eat it. Oh, there we go. He's like, okay, that's mine. Oh, that is awesome. So how was my experience? Man, you know, I do this every day. So it's, you know, I wouldn't do it if it wasn't cool, if I didn't have joy. So my experience was absolutely incredible. I love it. And I think you guys can see through the footage. We had a great time. I really, really enjoy this. And I highly recommend, and as my friends are saying, I would challenge anybody to do the same thing. And tell me you don't get the joy that we get by doing this. Yo, thank you
so much for watching. We really appreciate it. This means so much to us. I hope you guys can take this up on yourself and do the same. Go out on the streets, feed some dogs. And meantime, press the share button, comment, and give us a like. And I'll see you later.